everybody, and guys, we're going to introduce you a new brand technology of cutting edge windshield protection film, TERA SHIELD. This is how they call it, and this windshield protection film seems to conquer the whole market of windshield protection film, and it's beyond our expectation. Now we are going to show the whole video process of the beginning installation and the end, and it's going to be remarkably great, and you will be expecting more smooth and quick installation process, and everyone can follow the routine. Let's start it. Last stage of the windshield protection film installation. Now, in order to finish this, we need to apply ceramic coating manufactured by Interconics as well under the brand of TERA Coat. And we need a piece of dust cloth and a pad to apply it. In order to do so, this will help you to maintain the long durability of your windshield protection film, and we recommend to apply it every month to keep it for your safety. So this is the right method of applying the ceramic coating on top of the windshield protection film. As you see that the pad is applied amount like 1 milli, and then very vertically just going through on top of the windshield protection film. So you should go forward to vertically to up and down to keep it even. And after that, we do it on the horizontal direction. In the same way, the same method. I would say that this is a piece of art. Wouldn't you agree with me?